Hey YouTube, it's Upper Left Bow Hunter. My friends at Springfield Armory sent me another treat today. I've already shown you my full-size Springfield OSP optical sight pistol in 10mm. This was my sidearm while hunting. Well, when you're bow hunting, you want to travel light, you want to travel fast, so why not send out the sexier XDM Elite 10mm compact with the HEX Dragonfly. I mean, this thing is beautiful. Lightweight with a reflex sight now. I mean, it's phenomenal. What a beautiful piece of equipment. It comes standard with the fiber optic sights. The 2 mags. I mean, I want to put a light on the bottom, whatever your heart desires. It's got the mag well that's all flared out for easy load and easy go. The standard grip safety as well as the trigger safety. I mean, beautifully built. It's light, it's compact. It fits perfectly in my little short hands. You know, I mean, that's perfect. So what we're gonna do today, I mean, this is true unboxing. Look how clean that is. I have never fired it. Straight from the factory. Let's see how she performs. Let's see what she can do. I was a little worried, I was a little worried that the red dot would be off a little bit from the factory, but I anticipated it being off. I put it on target and I hit the target, as you saw. So yeah, wow. For a compact 10mm, that stays flat. Recoils straight back. It doesn't lift. Phenomenal. Let's do some more. Well, I'm out of ammo. That's how much I had fun shooting this 10mm today. I literally burnt through all the 350 rounds that I had. Wow, so impressed. I'm gonna feel so much safer in the backwoods carrying this with me. So much lighter than the full size, you know, a lot less rounds, but if you need more than 10 rounds of 10mm to take down whatever, you probably shouldn't be in the woods hunting. I love it. Go get an XDM Elite 10mm compact. You won't be disappointed.